Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. In this video, we're going to continue on with the coffee trailer build. You're really going to see things start to take shape, and the plan is to get it fully operational and ready for inspection in this video. So follow along and we'll get this done. The insides start to come together. So this countertop is pretty much finished. Everything's mounted permanently. So just got to install the keepers for the battery unit, and this let us section be complete. We went around and marked out the areas for all our outlets. So we started laying out the electrical this morning, and now I've got everything on what I call the working counter laid out. So for the sink placement, I actually drew up a template in AutoCAD to get everything lined up perfectly. So I'm going to cut that out of scrap and we'll use that as our template to lay all that out. So this is kind of how the equipment's going to look. And then the tanks, the pump, and the water heater and such will be underneath. Here we're running the conduit for the electrical. Running the conduit is a true art form, so I brought in my buddy David to head this part of the project up, and as you'll see, the conduit just turned out to be absolutely perfect. Things are really starting to take shape here, so we're getting all the conduit run. It's turning out really good. There's our panel. So we get all the boxes in and getting started on the plumbing. So that's going to start coming together today. So just a quick little update. This thing will be ready to make coffee before we know it. Here we're pulling all the wire through the conduit. We have 50 amps to work with, and we ended up with, I believe, 12 circuits and 2 spare circuits. So there's one 220 circuit and the rest are all 110.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Can you smell it?
I'm here at Huck's. It's on the corner of Eagle Way and Lafayette Road in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. Got my coffee, black coffee. Let's give it a go. That's going to be a 5.8 out of 10. Back to the video. So guys, if you're doing this type of work, any type of fabrication, plasma table is a great tool. So this is the STV Optimum 5x10. Their largest production table is a 6x12. This is a great size, but you may not have room for it in your shop. So they do have a 4x3 table that starts at $3,200. It's a great option, so you can get any size all the way up to the 6x12. I also recommend, along with the table, you have to buy a plasma cutter. I highly recommend the HTP Microcut 45. It starts around $1,600 with a hand torch, a little bit more for a machine torch, but it's a great dual voltage machine. So you can get started with the plasma table around $5,000, depending on if you have an air compressor or not. And while that is a lot of money, I'll just show you how many files I have just for this little food trailer, just little bitty stuff. And I could have cut a lot of it by hand, but it wouldn't be as accurate or efficient. So let me show you these files. So as you see right here, I've got 7 files just for this little food trailer alone. This is a very small job for the plasma table, but it's a great tool. It definitely makes things more efficient and will definitely pay for itself over time. Alrighty, here's the final product ready for inspection. Still quite a few details and stuff like the air conditioning that need to go in, but we're sending this thing out to get the health department inspection before we continue any further. It's fully operational. The next time you see this trailer, it should have the graphics on it, and we'll be wrapping up the final details in here. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more content like this. And keep an eye out. Hopefully we'll see this trailer back in a couple weeks and get it 100% completed. Have a good day.